standard picture of a car into an awesome transforming robot. First, open up your Wondershare Filmora interface. Head over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the AI Media tab. From the drop-down menu, select Video Inspiration. This opens up a massive library of AI video templates. You can scroll through the Trending tab to see all sorts of cool effects, from character animations to stylized art. Since we know exactly what we want, let's head up to the search bar. Type in Transformer and hit Enter. From the results, find and click on the template titled Sharp Car, Transformer Transformation. A new window will pop up. Click the empty placeholder box to upload your image. Find a clear, static photo of the car you want to use. I'm grabbing this red SUV from my desktop. Click Open, then hit the Submit button. Finally, click Generate and let Filmora's AI do the heavy lifting. Once the AI finishes processing, your new video will appear in your project. If we scrub through, you can see the AI perfectly animated our static image into a full transformation sequence. Let's polish this up with a title. Click the Titles tab up at the top menu. Scroll through the trending options until you find one you like. I'm going to use this glowing retro text. Download it, then drag it onto the video track directly above your clip. Double-click the title on your timeline to open the Properties panel. Let's change the text to Transformer. Then, just use the handles in the preview monitor to scale it down and drag it to the top of the screen so it doesn't block the action. Now, let's move the playhead to the start and play it back. And there you go, a high-quality, AI-generated Transformer animation with a custom title. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating.